Oh, hey there. This is week 6. Just getting caught up on a little reading there. We're going to kind of continue looking at Algeria this week and the Algerian War. We're going to start off by really examining the rise of nationalism in Algeria, which should not be too much of a new idea because we've discussed the Algerian independence movement before. And then we're going to look a little bit the second day of class, comparing the perspective of the French versus the FLN, which is the Algerian nationalist group, just to get an understanding of kind of what were and who were the perspectives that existed at this time. One of the things I want to take note of is making sure that you go through and access this reading. You may want to save this in your computers. This is basically the cause of war text, which normally would have been doing in class. And basically every 20th century war, we go through Algeria, the Falklands, and the Spanish Civil War are in this text. I have taken them out, each chapter that they have for this, and there's some great paper 2 resources in there. So that's something you may want to keep and refer back to, especially next year when we get into the idea of taking our exams. The last thing that we're going to look at here is the causes and combatants reading assignment. This is going to be one of the things that you're going to basically do in class. There's a section of that causes text that I'm going to have you look at, and I'm going to have you answer individually. I'm going to give people time to kind of work on this in class in groups. But if you choose to kind of just do it independently, feel free to go ahead. One thing I want to see is at least one paragraph for each response. And then I've actually taken out of that other PDF just these 6 pages that the questions go with. And they're basically in order, so it shouldn't be too difficult. Other than that, that's kind of where we're going to focus on. I really want to make sure that you do complete the reading. So please make sure that you get your way through the reading for Algeria so that can kind of help you as we go in here for the next couple weeks. That's it. If you have any questions, please send me a message through Schoolage or email. And have a good week.